Me did the Isaac Jumpo, but you have the great sample and bring 1 man come when you get too much G8. Too much G8, more too much. Namenso, may I'm more fire.
Aqua Bashonko and Mausape Tawajibre and share to my GH so. Nana Ama Obusua and Medina, a prayer as to say training issues. Many best more ever if you as soon as for Monkami and Semno Emu Precope. And that day and the year inauguration day to say, a year or manyi emu or mampenia ye. Na ya to no so aba eyi say or no and I say easy I declare this one on the way di enkunim no just na and you didn't know AC edwuma at what share no dwumedi ase from 2021 to 2024 na ebusia force and enim no chicheye no afi we mu de ensakraye be mu kakra eyi efri eye Independence Square e de ekobra State House no na ansa na ye be inaugurate eye omampani e de aba the office mu no new members of parliament no womo so as say yen so omo in at say womo so omo ho akonya so meto aba e de speaker of parliament le biem to man nominate two others are one by first deputy and e biem to second deputy na no asem anata say nam so ema NPP amanyoko no womo nipa eye Professor Mike Okwe say wono enata so be say wonna biem for the second term as Speaker of Parliament and NDC for no so woman so woman emudie Alban Bagben so on so enyina Emma woman afana as Speaker of Parliament. Na no and say nam so Emma woman young papa say woman ebeto ne so abano NDC omo amanyoko no General Secretary awada amanyoko na no aba bontemeka say Professor Michael Kede nko nyu obi krampa again bibi krampa so mo hwehwe wo mo party mu enyi obi kra so mo nyina say o mo to no so aba as Speaker of Parliament krampa nko meta happen say papa yi obesa aba aban mu bien because obi a wo run the krampa to say and wording krampa be na so enyi wo call wo ba krampa no hu be hia po say nko fo be preka ni no say sa abdo ya mo ma no kwan ya to mo prese be to no so aba no say this second term na wording be mpa and wording be gina Parliament acheche nsemu bibie nsemu amata say emra hihye no akoso e wo Parliament enti hihye bi na NDP for no le for say na honorable Asiedu Enketia Johnson or the SM no to just say we don't need a speaker who you have to carry into his car and out of his car. Let's be serious. We don't need a speaker who always needs an ambulance. Just say what the air patch said. Professor Mike Okwe or ye will be or yare for as an apomudi and just 60 years, and it's a ban saying any year she names say one no and not a Speaker of Parliament to be not as say now home remember I want to show not as say you had a crap to make us on Afrina Nakumo net to say pre ambulance Eddie man say ye be fan Eddie acquire Sabes and the Juma Campo and Cosu ye year Parliament House on and no quite the yempa and two emu. No, this same way to Jana Ghana for be Casa that be honorable in Casano and want to say that be a near kama. Say open no crampo de be an insie drew cry walk at Anokanwama and some no way up penigade will be him same penigade who who no quack. I really yaman to be ever town to no honorable be able to na me na ya na drum crapo no twin na so out me coba out ye na dwumedie still na tese no na ho de ewo edemana we sa be wo no enya konya oko bi eyare nwasem ti so yare mpa na no chese na nyansa ni nimdie a wo de egina ye as Speaker of Parliament na no so ewu ana no so enya dwumedie mananti honorable Johnson Nketia tese wo bu Professor Mike Okwe ntia e wona na pomudi mu na tese enjakwa mu se ebi so ka se Ghana for ebi wa na tese enya atwom sem no akosoro dodo ade no kwele ni dawa yenka ne pefe na tese obi enya no wontia se ase de chineni dawa na tese ye bo nchenchen na asem no ye be se yenka ye be se beka ade no kretro do se Speaker of Parliament former Speaker of Parliament Professor Mike Okwe na pomudi na susa wo free house okra akoneka ho kra pon hwe nantie mu kra pa utum se papa yi wa bre aso se ono ne nana no metena dem na te se japade bia okaka won se me de akere wo mu suma sem bia na to we bia so da chance na se ba mo wo be ba na ba na be fa na sa akwa too late akwa surprise ama le busa for nti nke wo be yan se sa break de ke busu mpo no te na ye wa one na onye speak of edwuma sum ni se nye edwuma ketra edwuma e kasa wani edwuma etimi kan se function de den eno wo pre ema papa no bia na pomdin enko yesa nti the honorable Johnson Asiedu Nketia adodo na ni na general mosquito aka no kre na no asem no quality Alban Babin oru no ya brand ona no susu no so obetimi akoba ntem so a bibia 8 no quality wono na tasi yeyi na wono ano osefata so obegina as speaker of parliament le buja for se na ensem no esifatia no se honorable Johnson Asiedu Nketia Woka Professor Mike Okwe na pomudi enwon ensem saa se wo yare enti na wontumi na ntentem so na se ebiemu so no na ntia kodeka wan na wo keka no enye kama santi enti no ehu nya se beto no so ababiem se speaker of parliament that description of the Emma papa no ne kwa mu ana so wakoyo peni so no so na wako enim oni tie mu a wokasa asem no na ne kwa so na hu ni se na eni hu oni hu kwan se wo bebu no enimtia ewo na pomudi enwo de wudwin de wo timbia no bo dia na fa so me ewo ye comment section ne biem social net so say me bi ebe ye chidom ema ye de tumide ebrem Mama Juliet Ventures eka ho Mama Juliet say wo kitchen CCA any ebiem so no bedroom ne living room CCA ebeko yie edema na oba waja baso body dia fa number na friend obema brand akese brand edi mu anepo eda form na won so wetimi de ajo point wo kitchen na no so no available 24/7 two friend na tese wo tie wo na tese bia wo bia so Ghana ha say no ye delivery the amount na me ta kan for loan master so the one loan master say ye fan kai bo we enko ema advance my phone ya say as abrede say sike kura wo so say den ya ensu biem bobo enwenwu say den na me dia financing project in school fees ene adwendwena bebre ni nya iskasem wo kura de wo say ya ban dwani wo say do aketwa the free controlling account office e piem so no wo say affordability e wo place level so na say wo ha kura to echa wo mo say no nkwa na nhia wo de ba wo mo chen 24 hours wo mutimi loan processing e mama wo so timi skapudo bi financial project na wo chia krapa wo say because interest rate no e from boko nti for wo number no wo enye wo loan wo ensem no e fa na dey so me kan for ni true fin e dey won ni true fin so mo mo dan so e ma me rap dan rap je abasubode e wo nti fa ni true fin for so number the from no mo dan so e fa ma mi din e dey na ama o so na me ya duma the message dey share be my cram.